Hi, I'm Bazza, and it's time to unbox my new Apple Watch Series 6 and my new Pride Rainbow watch band. Let's get to it. Okay, let's start with the watch band. And practice a little delayed gratification. So easy, strip off the opening tape. There we go. Pull out. Legal blah blah stuff. Apple Watch. Nice rainbow. There they are. Fluoroelastomer sport and rainbows. The long and the short of them. I believe I've been using the long ones on the Apple Watch Series 1 I have. There's a one with a red band. We'll try that out. It's got a little plastic deal on it. Very pretty. All right. No stickers, no rainbow stickers. That could have been a good thing for Apple to include. Would be the old rainbow Apple logo. Put that back in there. Get it out of the way. Now, for the main event. That's an arrow, it says. Okay, I'll peel it. Peel it back. Look at that. Comes all the way around. Nice die cut. Pardon me. Nice die cut lettering on the, oh no, it's just embossed. All right, so we have clasps. Series 6 gold aluminum case, 44mm with Apple Watch red sport loop, product red sport loop. Look at this packaging, interesting stuff. Nice. 2 boxes, sport loop, watch. Okay, more delayed gratification. We'll open the sport loop first. Same little sealed strip off the side here. Oh good, I got 2 of those. There it is. This is my first sport loop. A little seal there to keep it in place. Trash can. That's the right hand side here. Look at that. Okay. A little bit of stretchiness. Nice. All right, we'll see how that fits. No stickers. Once again, no red stickers in this one. Whoops. I could use some sticky stuff to stay in place with me. Nicely, nicely. There's extra bands. Here we go. All right, so follow the arrows. Pull up. Assuming that's a lid. Nice box. The main deal, designed by Apple. This one, excuse me. Instructions, more legal stuff, documentation. Oh, put that in there, can't wait. Charging gizmo, USB-A. Interestingly enough. There we go. Man, to have a whole crew design or dedicated to just designing the packaging. Okay, so same little magnetic puck. Got one on my nightstand from this watch. So this one will go someplace else for a secondary charging place. There it is, 44 millimeter aluminum. It's got a little protective case. Oh, look at that, slide out. I push it. Whoa, I know, I dropped it. There it is. Mint condition. Okay. Doesn't look all that much bigger than my 40 millimeter, which has seen better days. It's arrived just in time because my screen on this one has started coming off. I even had to tape it down. I knocked it against a piece of furniture yesterday and it came off. Oh, we got some yard people working in our yard today. We might have a little noise on the video. Pretty. Okay, so I wonder which. I'm thinking about changing the way I wear my watch, but we'll do that later off camera. I wonder which end of this is best to put. Probably like that, right? Well, yeah, that'll be on the side towards me. All right. Whoa. Two watches. All right, there it is. Time to set it up and put it on and put this one into retirement.